Okay, after we hit the blue check mark, it turned yellow, and now that we can see it's in 3D. And the first thing that we need to do is change our dimension of our bottle to 160. Yours is probably 200 some, it doesn't matter what it is. You can click up here and it'll turn blue and type in 160 and hit enter, and it should make it the right dimension. So now we're going to hit the green check mark and it should turn gray. And now we need to hit the revolve button. We're going to make the handle now, so we'll click that. And now, just like we did before, whenever we hit the extrude button, we need to go to placement and define, and we need to define the face that we're going to start sketching on. And for this, it wants us to click on the front, so we're going to click front here, and it's going to make it in reference to the top, which is good. So we're going to hit sketch, and for this, the first thing it calls us to do is make two circles. So we're going to hit the circle button, and somewhere on the face right here towards the top, we'll right click, drag out, and make a circle. Doesn't matter if it's what size it is, because we're going to change the size of it later. So we'll click here, and as you can see, if I'm over here, it doesn't make it red, but if we go to the center of this, it'll turn red, and we're going to go towards the bottom and right click again. And whenever it gets to the same size as the circle above it, it says right R right here, we'll click, so we'll click there. And now the next thing it calls us to do is make tangent lines again. So we need to go to the line up here, click there, and go to tangent, line tangent, and click there. So the first thing we'll do is click on the top circle and then scroll down to the bottom, and it should snap to the side of it, and we'll click. And then we need to make one more, so we'll click on the top circle again and then click down here, and now we have that. Now we need to delete the inside half of these circles, so we'll go to the delete segment, click that, and then we'll click on the inside and the inside. Well, now you should have the outlining of what our handle will be. So now we need to dimension, so we'll hit normal over here, and we need to dimension the width of our handle. So we're going to click on this line, and they should turn red, and then we'll hit on the middle button, the wheel button up towards the top, and we need to change this dimension to, let's see what it says, 30. So we need to change this to 30 and hit enter. And the next thing we need to dimension is the top of our handle here to the top of the bottle, and we're going to come out here to the left side and hit the middle button again, and we need to change that to 20. And we need to do the same for the bottom, so we'll click on the bottom of the handle and then the bottom of the bottle, and then hit the middle button out here again and change that to 20. Now the next thing we need to do is make a center line out here to the left of the bottle, and so we'll click on the top line here, and then whenever it gets lined up straight and even with the bottom line, we'll click right click again, and there we go. So now we need to dimension from the outside of our bottle to this line, so we'll click, when this turns blue here, we'll click on it, and then we'll click on the center line we just made, and it should turn blue, red. So when we do that, we'll hit the middle button, and we need to make this dimension 30, so we'll hit 30 and enter. Okay, now after we've done that, we are going to hit the blue check mark, and you guys should have this yellow circle pop out, and in the next video I will show you what to do next.